Hi, this is Alex with an AI hack. This one I find really useful as a senior leader and a teacher. I often have to pick up quite a lot of cover. So this is really useful for cover lessons when you're running down the corridor and someone says, hey Alex, you need to pick up this year 8 biology lesson. All of a sudden, this will take you less than 60 seconds to generate a really fantastic PowerPoint that you can use with lessons. It's also really useful for your own planning, that you can take a bit more time to edit and tweak it. So here's some that I've made. The app that I'm using is called Gamma.app, and we go into a lot more detail on the AI 1 hour webinar. So if you want to find more detail, join that one. But just very quickly, I just go to create new, and you can get a free account here. I'm going to paste in text, and here's just some text I pre-recorded. Create me a slide deck for biology lesson on food chains for students aged 11 to 13 years of age. Make it fun and engaging. Make sure it has some keywords and diagrams. So you can choose a presentation, a web page, or a document. So you're probably going to use a presentation or a document. I'm going to go presentation. And then when you get through to here, it's really, really quick. You can look at this and it will say over here, what do we need to do in terms of cards? I'm going to create, I'm going to go for 8 cards because 8 cards is 8 slide decks. Continue. This generative AI is just so useful. I've got all my themes here. Now I'm really pressed for time today, so I'm just going to jump and grab that one there. And it gives it this nice theme. I'm going to generate top right hand side. That's what I click then. And what it's going to do is it's going to go to work creating this slide deck. And it's incredibly quick. You can access this by desktops, by tablets, by your personal device like a phone and whatnot. And as you can see, it's knocking out a really decent looking PowerPoint that I would struggle to make one as nice looking myself. One of the caveats is just check the quality of the content that you're getting on here, and it will generate it into 8 slide decks that you can use with students. And look at that, how visually nice is this? It's pretty impressive. But obviously, if you're in a rush, you're going to struggle to check it. But if you do have a bit of time with this type of technology, make sure you check the content. Now, what I can do is I can share it with myself via a link in the top right hand here. I can present it, I can download it, and I can use it. So a really, really quick hack, really useful. It's called Gamma.app.